Folks, hello and welcome to Tavern Chat. I'm your host, Eric Tenkar, your bartender in the OSR. Before we jump into today's quick video, there's a link on the bottom of the screen, Tenkar's Terrace, tavern.game/Trail of Cthulhu. Yes, there's a new Humble Bundle. It's perfect for Halloween coming up. If you want to do some horror gaming in the Cthulhu mythos. So, if you want to know how you can support this channel, our affiliate links are a great way to do it, and that will take you to an affiliate link. But this is the exciting news. Cities Without Number from Kevin Crawford is going to be releasing an SRD to the wild on drive-thru on Monday. Today is Saturday, so that would be September 11th, I believe. Why is that important? Because this is likely going to be the first of the SRDs. I believe he'll be issuing SRDs for Stars Without Number, Worlds Without Number. So there's free versions of all those games. This is not taking place of the free version of those games. This is meant to give other RPG designers an explicit document showing exactly what I consider to be freely usable game mechanics or trivially implemented descriptive text. While I cannot offer legal advice to the reader, I am providing the introduction as a plain English description of my position. It's going to be released under the CC Creative Commons 0 affirmation. So, he also says, unlike many other designers, I have been made prosperous by indie RPG publishing. I feel a certain degree of obligation derived from that success. And so I wish to provide the following document to assist others in producing profitable new creations for their own benefit. The reader is invited to copy, derive, change, or expand whatever they wish from the following document and may rest assured of my encouragement and good wishes for their commercial success. So, this is his breakdown of what you can do with this SRD. Like I said, it goes live on Monday into the wild. This was part of, back to Kickstarter. You got basically the preview. What you can do, while certain uses are implicit in a CC0 affirmation, I list some of them out here in plain English for the sake of clarity. These uses apply to both personal and commercial uses of the following document, whether for tabletop RPGs, VTTs, online utilities, computer games, or any other work. You may copy verbatim any text in the following document for your own products, including tables and their contents. You may copy, derive, modify, or expand any content in the following document in your own products. You may publish products derived from the following document without crediting either me or this document, as I waive all moral rights to it to the extent permissible by law. You do not need to release your products under a CC0 affirmation or any other license. That's huge. You may explicitly advertise your products as being compatible with Cities Without Number or any Sin No Mean RPGs if, in your opinion, the product is compatible. You may not represent your products as official Sin No Mean offerings. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, Kevin. So if there's a proper pronunciation, please let us know. Or otherwise licensed, produced, or associated with, or approved by Sin No Mean Publishing. Now, this breaks it down for you too. You may not replicate text or setting material included in the Cities Without Number free or deluxe game, but not included in the following document. Setting details such as the default setting, the specific megacorps, or its particular NPCs, places, or events are reserved as intellectual property and have been intentionally omitted from the following text, as have the bulk of the GM tools and other non-trivial creative content. These elements are actual creative works, so I did not consider them free for common public use. Note that this does not apply to the basic concepts involved in the GM tools. This is also interesting. While I keep my world tag text to myself, for example, I have no objection to someone else writing their own tags with the same enemy friend complication thing place structure. That is one of the core concepts of the various without number releases. And Kevin is saying you can use that concept. You just can't use his specific tags. Write your own tags. Wow, that's awesome. So, if you are an OSR creator, if you want to step away from what is essentially the D&D SRD, there's another SRD out there that's going to be coming into your hands. And again, it's free to use. Kevin's been very generous to the gaming community for years. I can't really stress that enough. So thank you, Kevin. I do appreciate it. I will leave a link in the show notes to Kevin's store on DriveThru if you want to grab anything. Again, most of his core releases are available in free versions as well as deluxe versions. I have backed every Kickstarter of Kevin, so I have a lot of deluxe. Other than that, there's another big news on the Kickstarter front. Far West released in PDF yesterday. It exists. Now, that being said, it has some really good art and some really poorly photoshopped art. This is not solely my opinion. I've gotten feedback from others who have seen some of the art. The PDF is interestingly priced. I believe it's either $25 or $29. I wish I had recalled. I could have obviously checked, but I don't think it's going to be a bestseller anytime soon over on DriveThru. And the reason why I say that is because when one of the backers who had backed for a print version went through their state, I guess the Attorney General's office, and was going to file a complaint against Gareth for not releasing anything for years. Gareth refunded all but the cost of the PDF. Well, Gareth assumed the PDF at that point was going to be $10. It's currently up on DriveThru as original price, $59.95, which I'm going to guess is going to be the price for the print on demand when it comes out. He's asking $29.95 for the PDF. So, if you are waiting on a print copy of this game, it could be another 12 years. I'm just throwing it out there because I don't think too many people are going to be paying $29.95 for Far West. I mean, I know I lost all interest in it, so I may read it after I finish prep for ShireCon, which is next week, but it's not going to the top of my reading pile. How about that? All right, folks. Other than that, there's a live stream tonight. I'll include that link also in the show notes. Live stream tonight, we have a special guest. This is kind of exciting because we don't normally get guests on Gamers Health, but we actually have a special guest, Daniel Hand. He's the author of Role-Playing Games in Therapy. It should be a good one. So if you're interested in any of this stuff, that'll be a live stream tonight, 8 p.m. I look forward to seeing many of you there. Oh, and we need 8 more subscribers to get this channel past 3,000. Come on. You know you want to. All right, folks. On that note, I'll catch you all later. God bless. Be good.